In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix Instagram call not working. So if you're trying to call on Instagram and it is not working, there might be various reasons behind it. The first reason might be the poor network connection. So make sure you're connected to a stable network. After you do that, your problem should be solved. If the problem still persists, what you can do is simply try checking for the permissions. Launch Open App Library on your device, find the application for Instagram and long press on it. Now tap on this option App Info that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be led to the App Info interface of Instagram. You'll be able to see various options over here. Tap on this option Permissions that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be led to the app permissions interface. Make sure the permission for microphone and camera is enabled. Tap on the option camera. Now make sure to tap on this option allow only while using the app. Repeat the same process for microphone too. Now after you allow these permissions, your problem should be solved. If your problem is still not solved, the problem might be with the cache. So make sure to clear the cache. Tap on this option storage and cache in the app info interface. Now tap on this option clear cache that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, the cache will be cleared. After that, your problem should be solved. If your problem is still not solved, what you can do is simply try reinstalling the app. For that, what you have to do is tap on the option uninstall. After you do that, go ahead and uninstall the application and reinstall it again. After you do that, your problem should be solved. But sometimes the problem might be with your device itself. So what you have to do is long press on the power button. You'll be able to see various options over here. Tap on the option restart and your device will be restarted. After you do that, your problem should be solved and Instagram call will start working. So that is how you fix Instagram call not working. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.